Good morning. Today I have a book. It's called I Will Be Fierce by Birdsong. Today, I will be fierce. I will answer the call to an adventure. I wonder where she's going. I will put on my armor. I will fill my treasure chest. Where do you think she's going? I will go forth and explore the world. Today, I will be fierce. I will take on the monsters that stand in my way. I will drive back the dragons. I will dare to walk with the giants. Look at this sign. What does it say? Where is she going? I will charge the many-headed serpent. Today, I will be fierce. I will chart my own course. I will climb the mountain of knowledge. I will trick the guardian of wisdom into revealing her secrets. I think she's at the school library. I will solve the mysteries of the unknown. Today, I will be fierce. I will break away from the ordinary. I will stand up for my beliefs. I will build new bridges. I will search for the light in darkness. Today, I will be fierce. Today, I will claim victory. I will conquer my fears. I will make my voice heard. I will be the hero in my own story. Today, I will be fierce. I will lead the way home, and then I will rest. For tomorrow, I will be fierce. How can you be fierce today? Looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Bye.